Welcome to This Explainer. Is inflation quietly eating your wealth? We're unpacking LandLimited strategy to shield it. They ask a stark question. Is the silent tax of inflation destroying your savings purchasing power? See, fiat currency gets printed infinitely, but raw land, that's a strictly finite resource. Traditional advisors push paper assets, but LandLimited argues those just leave families totally vulnerable to crashes. So, their solution? Raw land. They frame this as the ultimate inflation-proof tangible investment.
According to the source, physical dirt outlasts the dollar because of three unique wealth protection advantages.
First, zero maintenance. They joke there's no leaky roof to fix, just grab a chainsaw if needed. Second, minimal taxes. The article highlights that rural property taxes can actually sit under $100 annually. Third, it's a permanent anchor for homesteads. You can't just liquidate it online like a stock portfolio. But wait, there's a catch. The explainer warns that high-quality, accessible rural land inventory is shrinking rapidly. Why? Because buyers seeking tiny homes and self-sufficient homesteads are snapping up acreage left and right. So, the crucial question, how can ordinary families acquire this land before they're completely priced out? While the article states you don't actually need massive capital or pristine credit to build a legacy, LandLimited advocates for flexible owner financing to make this happen, built on three core pillars. Step 1. Instead of huge upfront capital, you just trade a small monthly sum for a multi-acre note. Step 2. Bypassing traditional banks entirely means past financial hurdles won't stop you from securing your future. Finally, reputable sellers map boundaries in clear titles, ensuring your family inherits a totally unencumbered, secure asset. So, what's your legacy? Will you leave behind depreciating paper or a permanent piece of the earth?